Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to get Fable 5 $100 usage credits for free. So usually Fable 5 was included in the plan, Pro plan until July, Max plan until July 19th, until up to 50%. But now July 20 and up, it's gonna be on Max plan and Teen plan only. And on the Pro plan, you can get the $100 right here in usage, in free credits. So you can, use still Fable 5 on Pro plan. So you can click on claim credit right here. And right here, as you can see, I'm on the Pro plan right here. So I'm on the Pro plan, and Fable 5, it says require usage credits. And if you roll over, it's gonna show you, it's gonna bill on usage credits. So it's not gonna be available after July 19th on the Pro plan. But if you go over to Claude.ai and log in to your Pro account, the Claude Pro account, and it's gonna show you this pop-up where it's gonna give you $100 in credit to use it for Fable 5 and other. Actually, you don't need to use only Fable 5, but so credit's gonna expire in September 17th, so claim it now. So if I click on claim free credits right here, it's gonna claim that credit. It says $100 credit usage claim. So you can go to settings right here and just go to settings. It's gonna give you the settings right here, and you go to usage on the left side, and as you can see, like scroll down, and you're gonna get right here under usage credits, you get $100 current balance, which is for use up to September 19th. So it's a promotional credit, and you can use it on Fable 5 or any other Claude model. So it doesn't have to be Fable 5. And right now, limits are temporarily boosted. So Claude Code limits is 50% higher to August 19th, and co-work limit is 100% higher through August 5th. And yeah, so that's how you claim. And go to Claude.ai and claim yours if on your Pro plan. So once you have that $100 credits, just go to Fable 5 and you can start using it. So Fable 5 is gonna work because you're on usage, even though your weekly model say is 100%, because this is from the subscription plan. And if you're using usage credit, this does not apply to you. So just go, ultra code or high on Fable 5 right here. And if you're on the Max plan, so for example, if you go to Pro, and then you can upgrade plan right here. And if you are on the Max plan right here, which is $100 and more, so you can get actually the Fable 5 up to 50% of your weekly limits on the Max plan. So if you want to use Fable 5 without your usage credits, just upgrade to the Max plan right here. So if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.